Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial, how to change your email on your Apple ID in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new address for better security, privacy, or just a fresh start, this process is straightforward and quick. By the end of this video, you'll have it done in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're on a device signed in with your Apple ID, like your iPhone, iPad, or even a Mac. You'll need your current password and access to the new email account for verification. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. It's that gear icon on your home screen. Tap it to get going. Once you're in Settings, look for your name at the top of the screen. That's your Apple ID profile. Go ahead and tap it. This will take you to your account settings. Now, scroll down a bit until you see Sign In and Security, or something similar. Apple might tweak the interface slightly in 2025, but it should be easy to spot. Tap on that. In the Sign In and Security section, find the option for your email address or email and phone numbers. Tap it, and you'll see your current email listed. Hit Edit or Change Email. It might prompt you for your password or use Face ID, Touch ID for security. Enter your new email address carefully, then follow the on-screen instructions to verify it. Apple will send a verification code to your new email, so check your inbox and enter that code when prompted. After verification, review any changes and hit Save or Confirm. Your Apple ID email should update almost instantly, but remember, it might take a few minutes for everything to sync across your devices. If you run into issues, like if two-factor authentication is blocking you, double-check your settings or visit Apple's support page for help. And there you have it. Your email is now changed. This simple update can keep your account secure and up to date. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.